Welcome to all of my YouTube viewers and followers and subscribers and friends and visitors. Welcome to all of you. This video today is a very, very, very important video for all of you who have YouTube channels. All right, because this is something that was pretty frustrating for me before, because I'm wondering, I'm saying like, wait a minute, I'm getting more viewers, okay, I'm getting more subscribers. Well, why in the world are my watch hours going down? And you know, for many of us as owners of YouTube channels, most of us want to get to the point by which we're making money with our channel. And you can't do that unless you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So it's easy to get, well, it's easier, you know, to get subscribers, and it's easier to get views, you know, because that's something that's going to just, you know, add up through time, unless you get some subscribers that get dissatisfied with your channel and drop off. But other than that, usually the subscribers eventually increase over time, and the views continue to increase over time within a certain time period within that year. You know, but it's the watch hours that can actually go down. You know, the watch hours, you know, are, you know, they're not stable. You know, it's not that you got a certain amount of watch hours and then you just get more and more and more. No, your watch hours can go down. And that's something that was very frustrating to me. I'm like, well, why in the world? How is this? If my subscribers are going up, that should mean I'm getting more people watching my channel. And if I'm getting more views, that also should mean more watch hours, I would think. You know, if there are more viewers and more people watching and more watch hours. So I was very frustrated, very confused. I'm like, what in the world is going on here? I have to figure this thing out. So I know many of you also are frustrated, and I'm quite sure some of you, the same thing is happening and you're frustrated, you're trying to figure this thing out. So now I found the answer to that problem. And so I'm going to share it with all of you, so that in hopes that you can also improve your situation. And for those who are new, that may happen to you down the line. So you need to know what to do if that happens. All right, so this information is for those who are actually being affected by this problem, and for those who need to know this before they're affected by this, so they can immediately respond and correct the problem. Okay, you can see here that I'm showing, you know, a YouTube channel here. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, the first thing you'll notice, I have vidIQ. All right, so you should have one of these types of services so that it can help you to keep tabs of what's going on with your channel. All right, but then you'll see over here, there are many other things that are helping you also to manage your channel. All right, so one of the things that you should be looking in on a daily basis should be the analytics. You know, you need to analyze what's going on with your channel on a daily basis. All right, because here in this page, we're just going to basically see, you know, whether it's public or not public. Some are private and public, how many views we got so far. We're also going to be able to edit, you know, some of the details if necessary, or look at the analytics for one particular video that you would like to take a look at. All right, and you can go to YouTube to view it, and, you know, you can take a look at some comments. Although I found it easier just to go to the video itself and go to the bottom, look to the comments. All right. All right. So that's what's good here. All right. But this is what you should be looking in on a daily basis, whether it's for each video or for your channel overall. All right. If you did this for your channel overall, it give you a better picture, a bigger picture of really what's going on. So you can see here, right? Within 28 days, 1,922 views. And you're like, wow, you know, Mr. Ali, that's pretty good, you know? So your channel's doing pretty good. And if you look down here, watch time, you know, watch hours is going up, you know, it's 81, you know, if you want to call it 81%, more than it usually is. It's usually 61, but now, you know, I mean, it's usually, according to this, it's usually like 21 or 20, usually around 20. So it jumped up by 61% within the past 28 days, which is great. Subscribers also have been increasing, right? 45 new subscribers, right? So all of that looks pretty good, right? But so that's why I was like shocked. I'm like, well, what in the world is going on here? If everything looks good, the views are increasing, the watch time appears to be increasing on overall, subscribers are increasing. So you would think, well, my watch hours should be going up. You know, you want to get 4,000, right? But then when I checked in on it, no, my watch hours are going down. I'm like, how in the world could watch hours be going down while views are going up and subscribers are going up? Well, I found out the cause, and many of you who are frustrated and who don't know what the cause is, it's because you can have viewers that are just like clicking on your video, taking a look at your video, but they don't finish. You know, they watch a certain portion of it. So your watch time, your watch hours, you know, you're going to accumulate watch hours based on them watching most of your video. If you have let's say you have a 30-minute video, what good is putting up a 30-minute video if they only watch the first minute of it? You see? So, you know, this is where the problem comes in. You have to find out first of all, who's your audience? All right. So let's take a look here. When you go in and we go into analytics for the whole channel, we can look to see, you know, what the audience, who's the audience. All right. So you'll look here and you'll find that when you go down and you try to look to see who the audience is, you'll see that most of my audience, you know, most of the viewers are coming from Egypt. All right. Then secondly, Indonesia, and then thirdly, America. Right. And also some Turkey, some UK. But that means I need to focus on my Egyptian viewers. And most of them speak Arabic, and I know some Arabic. So I should start making more videos in Arabic to cater to more of my main viewers who are in Egypt. All right. So, and look, 100% of my viewers are male. So I should be looking to see what the men in Egypt want to know, what they're watching. And then, you know, you can see the age group. Most of them are between 55 and 64 years old. So most of the men in Egypt who speak Arabic, most of them speak Arabic, all of them speak Arabic, you know, between the age of 55 and 64, and some of them between 25 and 34. What do they want to know? What are they watching? Well, on my channel, you know, since they're the ones subscribing and watching, I have to go to see, well, what are they watching? All right. So we go to the overview and let's take a look. Most of them, first of all, are trying to find out, you know, how to get more views on a channel. Now, mind you, this is a slight deception here. All right, I actually advertised for, you know, I paid for this this video to be, you know, to be advertised and to be shown. So that's why this one's at the top, which, you know, from my other video, that this is one of the ways to increase your views and subscribers and so forth. If you didn't watch that video, go back and watch it, so you'll find out why this one is at the top, why it has 434 views already, more than any other video on my channel. But if you want to get a real picture of what's going on with those Egyptian men, what are they watching? Well, here I have a video in Arabic, so obviously this is the one that they watch the most, right? And I know what types of things they want to know about. They want to know about marriage, so this video was in Arabic about marriage, how to get a wife, right? And then also I'm an English teacher, so also this is the second most watched video, also in Arabic, teaching them, you know, how to speak English. All right. But the video was in Arabic, teaching them how to learn English. And then I do some rap, right? So then you'll see this is also one of the top videos with a mixture of Arabic and English together. So now I can see what type of videos I should be making in order to reach the, and here, this other one, Muhammad Ali, this one's obviously getting more American views. It could be getting Egyptian views as well. It's all in English. All right. So with that, you can see where you should be targeting. All right. And then also you want to find out engagement. How long are these people actually watching the videos? All right, so you can see here, well, the top videos are getting, watched, most of it, 75, 73%, 63%. All right, but then you want to watch the overview to see, well, yeah, that may be the case, but overall, how much of the videos are being watched? All right, not just, that certain, segment of the top videos that are being watched the most. No, we want to find out, out of the videos that are being watched the most, what percentage of those videos are being watched. That's what you want to see, not the videos that are being watched the most and take a look at that. No, because those might not be the ones that are actually targeting your main audience. So when I look at the ones that are targeting my main audience, which will be this one, this one, and this one, you can see that they're watching anywhere between 2.5 to 4 minutes of the video. All right, so that means that my video should be no longer than anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes tops. All right, so that's how you find out how to take advantage of getting more watch hours, because you first of all find out who is your audience, where are they watching, where are they coming from, are they men, are they women, what type of videos are they watching, how much of the video are they watching, and then from this you can narrow it down. So in my case, I should be making videos that the men who speak Arabic in Egypt between the ages of 55, around the age of 55, and some young people, no more than 2 to 5 minutes. What do they want to know about? And the video should be nowhere between 2 to 5 minutes. And then I should increase my watch hours, because now I'm catering to my audience and how long they actually watch the videos, which means I'm going to get a larger percentage of the video being watched in totality, which means my watch hours should go up because they're watching more of the videos that I'm uploading. All right, so then YouTube is going to say, oh, well, we need to show this to more people because they're getting a lot of views and most of the videos being watched and so forth and so on. All right, so I don't want to make this video longer than this because it should be staying within the 3 to 5 minutes, even though if it's a video that's very interesting like this one that people want to know about, they may even watch it a little longer because they're trying to get this information. All right, watch this video again if I was talking too fast and you didn't understand everything very quickly with what I was talking about. And also watch the other video that I did about how to increase your subscribers and your views. All right, so enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and to share. Enjoy your day. All right.